We start this case study by logging into the web-based Celonis application. After login, we'll go directly to the purchase to pay process and open an analysis. The software is now using SAP HANA technology to access the SAP system in order to reconstruct the actual process based on the current data stored in your ERP system. That means the process you are seeing is not modeled in any way, but rather based on actual data from the SAP system. We will now use process mining to drill down in the process, because we want to understand the different variants which are occurring. The more variants we display, the more details are visible. But just a quick glance at the data shows us that there are critical variances in the process. For instance, there are many purchase orders that are not starting with the creation of a purchase order, but rather with the scan of an incoming invoice. So, purchase orders are created after the invoices were already received. This is clearly violating corporate compliance policies. The great thing about Celonis is that it provides you with an explorative way to access the data of your company. It's almost like Google for your processes, so you can ask it any question. Let me give you an example. What you see here is the same procure-to-pay process as before, but enriched with additional information from a SAP system, such as company code, vendor name, and the trend of the purchasing activities over time. We've just identified a critical process variation where purchase orders were created in retrospect. We now want to follow up and see what company codes are affected. A simple mouse click filters on the specific process path we are interested in. As we filter, the complete analysis is updated. We now identify the retail company with the company code 1001 as the main cause for the process violation. By simply clicking its bar, we restrict the complete analysis to it. The process for this retail company reveals a lot of purchase orders for which the price has been changed. This is very critical, as it means a great deal of time might be lost and purchase orders are delayed. We select the duration KPI to understand the impact of an issue like this directly in the process graph. With this KPI, we can see that it takes on average an additional week after the price was changed. You may further select the data, for example by choosing the top 3 vendors, or restrict to unusual patterns in the trend over time. Celonis Process Mining even offers you the possibility to drill down to a single purchase order. This way, you may look at the process of a single purchase order and follow its path through the SAP system in real time. Celonis Process Mining offers both excellent overviews for high-level management and deep drill downs for process experts.